Ever wonder where iPhone voice memos are stored? They live inside the app and sync through Apple, not a visible file folder. In this video, we'll show where your recordings are and how to back them up or recover them. Part 1. Where are voice memos stored on iPhone? Open the Voice Memos app. Your recordings appear under All Recordings. Deleted recordings move to the Recently Deleted folder for about 30 days before permanent removal. Part 2. Where are voice memos stored on Mac? Open Finder. Click Go to Folder. Enter the path above. Part 3. Where are voice memos stored on iCloud? Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Go to iCloud Show All. Turn on Voice Memos. Part 4. Where are voice memos stored on iTunes? Firstly, connect your iPhone to the computer and sync the device with iTunes. After syncing, open iTunes. Click the Music section, choose Playlists, and select Voice Memos from the sidebar to play or manage the recordings. Part 5. Where to find lost voice memo on iPhone from iTunes backup without reset. Mobican Doctor for iOS Windows Mac allows users to recover lost or deleted voice memos from an iTunes backup without needing to restore the entire device. How to find and recover voice memos on iPhone without losing data via Mobican Doctor for iOS. After installing the tool, run it on your computer and choose the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode. Subsequently, select the necessary iTunes backup file and click on Start Scan. You will then be presented with the main screen of the program. Select Voice Memos and click Start Scan to load and preview the specific memos displayed on the right pane. Select all the voice memos you require from the program interface. Ultimately, click on Recover to Computer to retrieve deleted voice memos lost from your iPhone.